Hello everybody, my name is Paul McKeever, and this is my new guitar build. So let's go ahead and put on the LSR nut. I should just add that when you're ordering a neck from Warmoth, if you want to use the roller nut, you have to make sure that you specify that you want that sort of neck preparation for the roller nut. It's not the same width, if you will. I'm not sure what, there, that's probably a better way to see it. Can you see it? There we go. That is not a standard width for a nut. That's the width for a roller nut. And you'll see if you look very closely, I'm not sure if we can get this on the camera or not. Try it this way. There are tiny little holes here and here into which the screws are going to go for the LSR nut. There are two holes here in the roller nut. Those holes will go toward this end, and because Warmoth has already routed this properly and put the screws in the right place, we just really need to insert the nut, the roller nut in like that, press it into place, make sure it's centered between the two sides. I think that's good. And then you need to have the proper screwdriver, which is a number 0 screwdriver, or else these tiny little screws that come with the roller nut, you'll strip the heads on them. So you'll see these are absolutely tiny screws, and so you need to use the number 0 screwdriver to get them in. All right, so we're going to take the first screw here, find the screw hole, which is right, again, I think it's right there. You can drop it in the hole, you can find the proper spot. And you can actually feel, once you've got that nut seated, you can actually feel the wooden pre-drilled hole, pre-drilled by Warmoth, in the neck, and you can tell then that you're in the right spot. Make sure you keep the pressure on that screw as you're pressing it down or turning it around, because if you let the pressure off with your screwdriver, again, you may strip that tiny little head. Okay, that's one down. I don't think I'd ever use a power drill to screw these in. A, there's not that much labor involved, and 2, right when you get to the final turn, you can feel it kind of catch. I think you don't want to push it too far. That means you've got it in place, and it's as simple as that. So now let's move on to the machine heads.